Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can make your Google Sheets view only. So when you share this to somebody, I'm just gonna name it like that. I'm just going to add in my email, like my other email. So when you select this, you're just going to select viewer and you're going to select send, and then whoever gets the email, they'll only be able to view the Google Sheets and they won't be able to edit them. And that is pretty much it. Really super simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. That is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.